The dog Olympics him a train for?
Yeah, the high jump segment.
And watch the run up distance.
Think him can clear the height there.
When it come to a mongrel, anything is possible.
Look like him all doubt himself.
I don't think so. Remember, it's a calculative effort.
So him now go back and do the run up.
Which run up? Look here.
Bumbuckler.
When me tell you say, you have regular mongrel and you have super mongrel. This is a super mongrel.
Boy, school up you believe in a mongrel them.
That is why you need the 29,500 to come get a pair.
You still a pray that.